Hi, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Now I will show you what to do if the fingerprint does not work on your Android or it is not displayed in the settings, as well as absent. Show and tell how you can solve this problem. You do not worry, be sure to watch this video to the end. Now I will show you how to solve this problem. Write whether my solution helped you. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments, and I will read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, give me likes. Let's get started. For this we need to go with you to settings, if it's missing fingerprint. And after that, we need to click on About Phone. I'm showing on the phone it's Xiaomi. You can do it on Samsung, on absolutely anything. And then you need to click on All Specs. And you need to fly down here and find kernel version. And then you have to click many times until you get to the new test menu. Now here you scroll down to the bottom, and you need to find the Finger Sencor test setting. You might not have it called test at the very end, but the important thing is that it will be called Finger Sencor. You click here. You'll get a download. As you can see, it says pass, pass. We can click on error at the beginning, and as you can see, it's lit up in red. Now we click here again. Then we click OK. Here we see that everything is shown here. We click OK. And now here we have passed, pass. After that we're out. If this method didn't work for you, you need to go to the bottom. Open apps and then manage apps. Here you need to click on the three bars in the top right corner and click on show all apps. I have 343 of them, and in the search box we write finger test. And we go either to the first setting or to the second. I go here. Here is drawn a fingerprint. And then you need to click clear data. That is to clear the cache. The most important thing is to clear the cache. After we have done this, we press the shutdown button. Reboots the phone after that turn on. Then go into the settings and add a fingerprint. After that, it should be added. If you liked this video and helped, then be sure to write in the comments I will read. If it also did not help, or you have something did not work out, also write. We'll communicate with you. We'll do something to fix our common problem. And the cause. Thank you all for watching. Like, and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.